Jenna. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a unicorn wall hanging decor. It's really easy to make. I will show you step by step how to do that. So, let's begin with our video. I will not talk much.
So guys, I've taken this blue color pocket like shape paper that I have cut it, and then I have taken this white color paper that is also pocket shape. I have just make it a bit smaller, like 1 centimeter each side smaller. Then I have taken this thin strip of the pink color and then cut it like this, like I'm showing, and then paste it all the sides except I have just not pasted the upper side. If you want, you could, I don't. And then I have just made the eyes using sketch pen. Also I have put some blush on her cheeks. That's not visible, but in real life it is. And then shade the corners. I have used this blue color color pencil. You would also use crayon. Then I have made this pom-pom kind of thing. Just wrap it, tie it, and again tie it. It's so simple. And if you don't have these type of thick thread, then you could also use the thin thread that your mummy would be using for sewing. And you could also skip it if you don't have any kind of thread. You would also use wool. And here I'm making the horn. I'm using yellow color glitter paper for it. Also wrap it with this thin golden string. If you could also skip this. And if you don't have this yellow color kind of glitter paper, you could also use yellow color paper or color a white piece of paper and cut with the yellow color and then cut it out as an horn shape. And I've taken this kind of white color strips, thin, not that much thin as I have shown, like that. Then I have pasted a straw and then again paste the straw. If you don't have these kind of, if you don't have the straw, you could use could roll it and the paper and make it. Here I have taken some artificial flowers and glued it near the horn. And if you don't have flowers, then you could also use, draw it or just make it with paper. And here I have pasted this thing, I don't know what to call it. So here I have made this leaf out of the green glitter paper. If you don't have the green glitter paper, you could also use the green chart paper, or you could just color white paper with green color and cut the shape out of it. And then I've pasted. I want to give it a 3D look, so I use this, and it gives some more shine to it. Yeah, I've actually made 2 of these. So I really like the one that I've made just now, because I think that the first one that I've made, its eyes, it's a bit smaller than the other. That's okay. You don't need to be perfect to be a great artist, as I have told in my last video. Did you remember? If you have seen, you would have remembered. And if you have not seen, then go check it out. What are you doing?
Guys, this was today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you will surely try this at home. It's really easy. I have shown you step by step and also told you everything in process. So this was a really easy, very much simple, and I really hope you like it. And the things that were required, I hope that would be available in your home. And if that is not available, then you could use anything in that place, as I have told in the video. So bye, see you next time. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not. If the subscribe button is red, then click it so that it would be gray, and also click on the bell icon next to it. But if it's gray, don't click on it. It's perfect. Also like this video, share it, and bye. See you next time.